Now the question is, if alpha is an acute angle and 2 sin alpha plus 15 cos square alpha equal to 7, then value of cot alpha equal to how much? So what I have to do is 2 sin alpha plus 15 cos square alpha equal to 7. Now 2 sin alpha plus 15, 1 minus sin square alpha equal to 7. Here 2 sin alpha plus 15 minus 15 sin square alpha equal to 7, and next is 15 sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha minus 8, 15 8 equal to 0. And now this is the step: 15 sin square alpha plus 10 sin square alpha minus 8 sin square alpha 10 sin alpha minus 8 sin alpha minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, next 5 sin alpha common, 3 sin alpha plus 2 minus 8 5. Okay. 5 sin alpha, 3 sin alpha minus 2 minus okay, let me change this one. This one will be 12. If it is 12, then 4 common, 3 sin alpha minus 2 equal to 0. Then 3 sin alpha plus 2 into 5 sin alpha minus 4 equal to 0. Then we are getting sin alpha equal to 4 by 5. Then cot alpha equal to 3 by 4. How cot alpha equal to? Because we are getting the cos value from sin alpha, and cot alpha equal to cos by sin.